Alliteration is the repetition of an initial consonant sound in words that are in close proximity to each other. By close proximity, we mean words that can be, but don't have to be, consecutive. Perhaps the easiest way to recognize alliteration is to see it in action. So take a look at these examples. Therapeutic Thursday, Moody Mondays, Leaping Lizards, Quick Question, Mickey Mouse, Perry the Platypus, We went whale watching. Alliteration is about repetition of sound, not simply of letters written on a page. We can find alliteration in many forms of literature, music, poetry, speeches, commercials, and so on. The applications are limitless. When we hear alliteration spoken aloud, the rhythm it creates gives the words a poetic, even musical feel. For example, I came, I saw, I conquered. This is my chance. This is my moment. This is my time to shine. Comparing all the examples given, notice how pleasing it is to be said and heard. You can even use alliteration to help memorize your vocabulary if you paraphrased it in your own words. Alliteration adds harmony and flow to your writing.